If necessary, mark the starting point of your stair with a 2D numeric guideline. If you have a building with multiple floors and you need to show the stair in your ground floor also in your upper floor plan, for example, create a new layer and insert the stair on it. Select the stair type from the stair button menu. Set the starting point of your stair and toggle the stair side under your cursor by pressing Ctrl+W. Inserting the stair ends by pressing Enter or with the right mouse button context menu. The stair dialog opens automatically. The type of the stair can be changed in the dialog and also all railing settings. Stairs create an opening in your ceilings, and the rooms above automatically create a corresponding opening. If you create a floor plan of your upper floor and you need to show the stair coming up from the ground floor, just switch the ground floor off in our project viewer and leave the stair layer visible. As a result, you see the upper floor plan and ground floor stair.